All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going on a bit of an adventure. We're going to look at the world of SAP solution architecture, but not like you'd read in a textbook. No, we're framing this as an epic quest. It's a story about heroes, daunting challenges, and the incredible tools they use to build the future of business. So, our hero's journey? Well, it starts right now.
You know, when you think about a modern company, it's like this sprawling digital kingdom, right? It's got these massive castles of data and intricate pathways for all its processes. So in this epic saga, you have to wonder, who are the master architects? Who's actually designing the structures that let the whole kingdom grow, innovate, and win?
Well, it turns out the answer isn't just one person. It's really a tale of two very different, but totally connected, heroes. And to really get what our main character's journey is all about, we first have to understand the unique roles they each play in this grand design.
Let me break it down with an analogy that makes perfect sense. Think of the enterprise architect as the city planner. They're looking at the whole kingdom from like a 30,000-foot view. They focus on the big why and what, setting the long-term vision and making sure everything works together coherently. But our hero, the solution architect, they're the building architect. They get their hands dirty, they take that big city plan and focus on the how. They design a specific, working building, or, in our case, a solution that solves a very real, immediate need.
Okay, so every great story, every hero's journey, it all kicks off with the challenge, right? There's that call to adventure that sets everything in motion. For our solution architect, that call comes straight from the people they serve, the business kingdom itself. And there it is, a clear, specific request. See, this isn't some vague, far-off dream. This is a concrete problem that needs a solution, like right now. This is the quest our hero has to take on, to figure out the end-to-end technical plan that's going to make this mobile app a reality. But you know, no quest is a walk in the park. There are always monsters on the path, and our hero has to navigate some seriously treacherous territory. They've got to battle the beast of a tight budget, race against the fire-breathing dragon of a deadline, and find their way through the crazy labyrinth of integrating with all the old systems, all while following the sacred laws of security and scalability. It's a lot. So, to face these monsters, our hero can't just show up with a stick. They need some serious gear. They need legendary equipment. So before the battle, our solution architect heads to the one place they can get it, the BTP Armory. So what exactly is this armory? Well, it's SAP's Business Technology Platform, or BTP for short. You can think of it as our hero's ultimate toolkit. It's this one unified place that pulls together everything they could possibly need. Development tools, integration magic, data, AI, all of it. And the best part? It lets them build amazing new things without breaking the core systems that are already running the kingdom. This is really the source of their power.
Inside this armory, our hero finds that their arsenal is built on 5 mighty pillars of power. You've got application development, automation, integration, data and analytics, and AI. Each one of these is like a different weapon or different tool they can use to take on any challenge. So let's watch our hero gear up.
First, they grab the tools for application development and automation. That's what they'll use to actually build the app. Next, they pick up the gear for data and analytics, because what good is an app if it doesn't give you smart insights? Then, they suit up in the armor of integration to make sure it connects to everything else. They wield the magical sword of AI to make the solution smart, and holding it all together is the platform foundation, the bedrock that makes sure everything runs securely and runs well.
Okay, so our hero is armed and ready. But they don't just charge in blindly. That's a rookie mistake. A real hero needs a plan. It's time to consult the ancient maps and forge the master blueprint that will lead them to victory.
And where do they find this plan? They turn to the SAP Architecture Center. Think of it like a library of ancient scrolls and proven maps. It's packed with what they call reference architectures, basically ready-made blueprints from other heroes who've already completed quests just like this one. This is a huge shortcut, right? It lets our hero get a massive head start and avoid all the common trap. And that blueprint, it shows them the biggest challenge of all, the labyrinth of integration. I mean, just look at this thing. The new mobile app can't live on an island by itself. It has to connect to SAP systems, other third-party apps, even on-premise data sources. Using the SAP Integration Suite, our hero carefully charts a path through this maze, building bridges and making sure data can flow freely and safely between all the different parts of the kingdom. And this is where the magic really happens. By navigating that labyrinth successfully, our hero uncovers the hidden treasure. They use tools like SAP Analytics Cloud to take these huge mountains of raw data from all over the place and turn them into priceless, actionable insights. This is what makes the new app more than just a piece of tech. It's what makes it truly valuable to the kingdom.
So, the app is built, the monsters are gone, the quest is a success, but the story doesn't just end there, does it? Now we have to look at the hero's legacy, the real, lasting value they bring back home to the kingdom.
See, our hero doesn't just return with a shiny new app. They bring back something much more powerful. They bring back a magical elixir for the entire kingdom. And this elixir has a name: agility and innovation. It's the power to adapt, to compete, and to win in a world that's always changing.
So, what does this magic potion actually do? Well, it makes the whole kingdom stronger. It lets the business jump on new opportunities fast. It helps them stand out from their rivals. It helps them achieve incredible results. The hero didn't just build an app. They've started to transform the entire kingdom into a force to be reckoned with, an innovative disruptor.
And that really brings us to the core of it all. For the solution architect, the journey is never really over. With one solution forged and the kingdom made stronger, it's only a matter of time before the call to adventure sounds again. This hero's journey is a continuous cycle of creation and innovation. Which leaves us with just one real question. What quest comes next?